Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I show you how to sync Trello with Google Calendar. I start by adding a few cards on this board. This is just a random board. It's for demonstration purposes, and I'm just going to add a few cards. As I create the cards, quickly click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I create social media tips, tricks, and updates. Subscribe to my channel to stay informed, and do give this video a thumbs up. So after creating my cards, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to schedule each card. I'm going to give each card a due date. To do this, you click on the pen icon, and then it will give you sort of a calendar, and then you can pick a date. So I'm just going to schedule all the cards, and once I've scheduled all the cards, I can now view them from my Google Calendar, and also I can view them from my phone. I can get calendar notifications from my phone because I'm going to sync Trello with Google Calendar. After scheduling my boards, I'm now going to go to my Trello calendar. If you do not have a Trello calendar, click on the show menu and it will give you a power up option. Under the power apps, you'll see different apps that you can upgrade your Trello with. And the calendar is one of them, which is free. So just activate the calendar power app. Since I had already activated mine, I'm just going to go to the calendar. And as you can see, all my cards are visible on the calendar, which is kind of cool. So now the next step is to sync the Trello calendar with the Google Calendar. And what you need to do is click on the settings icon that is on the top of the calendar, and you'll see the option to enable sync. Click on that option, enable sync, and it will give you a link. Highlight the link and copy it. Once you've copied the link, go to your Google Calendar. Once you've opened your Google Calendar, you will see options on your left side, such as my calendars and other calendars. So on the option of other calendars, click on the plus icon and it will give you a pop-up of more options. On that pop-up, click on from URL. And this is where we are going to paste the link we copied from Trello. So paste the link you copied from Trello, and it will create the Trello calendar into your Google Calendar. So basically, it will sync your calendar from Trello. Once you've pasted the link, click on Add Calendar. The Trello board is now visible on Google Calendar. As you can see, my Trello cards are now on Google Calendar. This is very effective as I can easily keep track on what I'm supposed to do, when I'm supposed to do it, and I won't forget anything. To get calendar notifications on your phone, continue watching this video as I show you how to do it. Go to your phone and open the Google Calendar app. Once you're at the app, you'll see the three lines on your left. Click on it. It will give you more options, and scroll down. Scroll down until you see settings. Click on the settings option. Once you're at the settings, scroll down and you will see show more. Click on show more. It will show you the Trello board that we pasted on Google Calendar. Click on it, then turn on your sync. From now on, you can easily keep track of your plans and activities on your phone.